Okay, this is the Merlin Bird app. This gives bird identification by bird sounds, and we're going to give it the review and give it a test. Let's see what happens. Alright, start a new recording. Here we go. Let's see what happens here. Okay, it's got its recording, so let's see what comes up. Let's see how smart this bird app is. Okay, you ready? Okay now, so this is what Merlin came up with. Its bird ID, and pretty damn good. This is an amazing app that you need if you're a birder. It'll give you all the bird identifications if you're out on a trail, and yeah, if you're a birder, you definitely want this app. Thanks. Bye.